Alright guys, welcome to part 2 of this video. And in part 2 of this video, as I just announced, we're going to take a quick look at the wrapping here. And it is very well wrapped and very good wrapping. So it may be a little bit of a... might take a couple of seconds basically to get this out of the wrapping. Let's see if there's any more tape, because once the tape is wrapped away, things tend to come apart more easily. Again, very well packaged, as I would expect from Ainidoll to provide you with very well packaged. We're getting close to the actual doll head, so that's good. It's a little bit like the Russian Matryoshka. There's one head instead of another head. In this case, it's just the wrapping. It's just very, very, very well wrapped. And here she is. It's quite wonderful. There we go. There she is in all of her glory. Now, in a second, let's see what I can do to remove this other bit in the next video.